Dillinger.
Oh, get out. Oh,
Yun na.
my goodness.
And they're going at it. We were waiting for this kanina pa.
Calvin Abueva planted one on Jared Dillinger. Definitely Jared did not like that. Pero swatting away yung tira ni Jared. Tapos yun na, tuloy-tuloy na silang dalawa dun sa mga fans, ano?
And Lakay immediately getting in between, being the veteran. Talking to Dillinger, telling him to cool it.
Trying to take another look. That was after the block. So yung momentum, tinan mo, makikita natin yung supalpal. Boom. Tapos dalawang...
Yun. Tapos yun, nagkahilaan na, hinila na ni Dillinger.
Naliligan pa. Here comes Jared right back.
And going in, you know, going in for the kill, pero was able to control himself. No blows
Pero na,
thrown.
right after the block. Ito naman, block.
Tama.
Kita hindi natin makikita sa
upstairs.
angle. Pero doon pa lang sa pool na parang nasundot na yung parting ilong ni Jared Dillinger. Tapos
Hinila na eh. Hinila na yung jersey all the way into the padding.
alam mo that, I don't know, except for this mga second motion na nangyari with the